Hi guys, welcome to Mummy Explores. And here we are still in Belgium and we're exploring what's known as the Cactus House. You're going to see why in just a minute. You do need to get inside because it is quite in a very small village. Sorry guys, I had to just dive in then because the car was coming along. So yeah, I'm with Mr. Mickey, Herbex and covered. And Razor Twisting Exploring. Let's have a look at what this house has got to hold. Come into here, look at this. That is not a clue.
It was a priest. And that's why all these are here named and dated.
Look at this, guys. What about these for cactuses? It's amazing.
Oh my god.
Unfortunately, they are all dead. But look at this. How wicked is that?
So it's make you just feel like, sing like.
That is amazing. I'll take you over here first. I'll take you out here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is a font. Guys, it is a font. I'm pretty certain it is amazing. Oh wow. Look at this. I've never seen anything like this before. This is absolutely spectacular. I've got coal. Bucket of coal still there. Look at that. Wow guys. I've never seen anything like this before. No way. This is in the hallway. There's the stairs. Going up. Look at that. I'm going to take you up there shortly. But this is absolutely amazing, I think. That's where we came in. So maybe he had little services. I think it was a priest that did. Let's take you to... Whoa! Look at this for a kitchen. Whoa, and the door's wide open there too. Look at this, guys. Let's have a look. You can't get out there at the moment. Look how overgrown it is. Look at this. For a cook, I've never seen anything like this. Never.
There's definitely a theme going on with the cactus.
And look at the cactus again here, the plants. Yes. Pots still on, the cooking pots. Still on the cooker. They definitely love these plants.
Amazing.
Yeah. What have we got in here? Oh, all these pots. Glasses. All still laid out for the next time to be used. And unfortunately it won't be ever used again. Which is such a shame. And must have had something in there, guys. Or a bird. It's not there now, don't worry. There's a lot of clothing around. Oh dear, what's going on out here? Oh, so it was a farm. So you got all the cow sheds here, see? So little... It's still got the sawdust, straw on the floor. Wow. Go and have a look down here. But you can tell it's not been used for such a long time. I mean, look at this. Wow. And I'm sorry guys, I'm going to be very ignorant yet again as to what that might be. Some sort of machine of some sort. Got to be careful outside. Come back there. But wow. Again, that's for rabbits. You see there, for rabbits. Brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that old ironwork here. Right iron.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
It's
brilliant. Right, it's just... Yeah, so coming to the bedroom here, guys. And again, you can see evidence of religion. I love it how in these houses over here, France and Belgium, all the religious statues, artefacts, and oh my word, what is this? Oh dear. Now this, I don't think is what it actually looks like it to be. We have, there's a lot of flies around. Oh yes, there's a lot of ants down there. So I'm not liking the look of that, to be honest. No, that's very strange. I'm gonna leave this room. You got more cactus here, so there's definitely the theme of the cactus going on. Hence the fact why they've called it in the exploring community.
What do you know what this is? It's like a chalice.
It's a font.
It's a font.
I would say it's for
It's got ovens on it and everything. You've got your chocolate.
chalice, yeah, yeah.
That's for your pan. And then you've got an oven outside there.
Right.
We're looking from down that way. It looks like a chalice from the church or something, doesn't it?
Can you just shine your light on it?
Yeah. Right, so let's see what's in here, guys. It's looking like some sort of where they used to make homemade wine or beer or something like that. It's all preserves anyway, yeah. They make a lot of cherry brandy here. I mean, that one, it's got 96 on there, see, 96. So I'm going to assume, yeah, they've got loads of receipts there. Hung up, see. So, yeah, I'm going to say that they was doing bottling beer or wines, cherry brandy. It's just a little store outside. It is a massive place. And then you got some, look like bobbins actually. Bobbins. It's quite cool. Wow. Hi guys, so there we have the cactus house. What an absolutely amazing place this is. All them cactus, definitely a big theme there. Very religious as well, very, very religious. We do find that a lot in these properties over here, but yeah, Lord, about the chalice, the old chalice in, well, two chalices, and one looked like a bit of a prayer room. Yeah, and the straw mattress. But yeah, again, what a fantastic place. Thanks to Urbex and Cupboard, Razor Twisted, and Mr. Mickey for joining me on this explore. And we're off to our next one. Please don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. Head over to my Facebook book, Romeo Explores. Thanks for watching.